Hi guys, I am Akansha Sehgal and welcome to my channel. So if you're someone who loves DIYs or want to know more about crafting business or social media, you are at the right place. So today's video is yet another DIY video, and today I am going to teach you how you can make simple and easy rosette embellishments for your craft projects. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So for this you'll need two square sheets and you need to divide it into half, or else you can take four rectangular strips of equal size as well. Remember that the length of your square sheet or the strip will make the diameter of the rosette. So for example, I took a 15 by 15 centimeter square sheet, so my rosette diameter will be equal to 15 centimeter. Once you divide both the squares, you will get 4 strips like this. Now take each of the strip one by one and fan fold it like this. You need to fan fold it from the shorter edge. You can do it freehand or else you can mark equal distances on the strip and then fold it accordingly. I prefer to do it freehand. Once done, you will get 4 strips like this. Now with the help of Fevicol, attach all the strips together like so. Make sure they are attached strongly together. Once you attach them, you will get a bigger strip like this. Now take some Fevicol and attach the remaining two ends as well. Once you attach both the ends, you will get a circle like this. Now take the corners and fold it inside like I did. Then take some Fevicol and put it in the center to keep it in place. And your rosette is ready. I made some more beforehand only. Now let's start decorating them. For the first one, I took a heart-shaped cutout and then traced it onto a piece of glitter sheet. Then I just cut that heart out. Now with the help of a double-sided tape, I am just pasting the heart in the center. And the first rosette is ready. For the second one, I took a thank you tag. I cut it down and then again with the help of a double-sided tape, I placed it in the center. It was not a proper circle, but I tried to cut it as circular as possible. Then I just attached it in the center with the help of a double-sided tape. And the second rosette is also ready. The third one, I went for some layering and this was my favorite one. So for this, first I placed a pink circle in the center. This is just a plain cardstock paper. I used double-sided tape only to place it in the center. Then I took some tags and started doing my layering. I put the cake in the center, then I am adding a birthday girl tag. I made it on a birthday theme for a girl, and I attached more tags and did the layering, and the final result was like this. Your 3 embellishments are ready. You can decorate them in any way that you like, and they'll make the perfect craft supplies for scrapbooks, cards, explosion boxes, and wherever you want to use them. So this was it for today's video. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Also, if you make any of these embellishments, do share your pictures with me. I'll leave a link to my Instagram and Facebook handles in the description box below. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel to get notifications for all the future videos. And yeah, this was it. I'll see you soon in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.